All right, so I'm going to start this video by showing you guys how much we love the Instant Pot brand. We had two previous Instant Pots right there, and this is the new one. I just got a few days ago and I am so excited about it. I've already made a few things in it, and this thing right here is amazing. So in this video, I am going to be talking about the features I like most and what I think has improved compared to the older versions. So the first thing I really like about this new Instant Pot is the big LCD display. I can show you the other ones. You know, they're big, but this one is the oldest one. I think this is the first version of Instant Pot. So yeah, you can kind of compare and see how big this one is. It's very easy to use. And to be honest, I think this is my favorite one. You can do so much with this pot. You can pressure cook, which I use all the time and love. You can slow cook, saute, you can make cakes and so much more. The functionality of this one, which is the newest one, is pretty similar to the old version, but I feel like the newest one is more efficient. It's faster. I don't know. I think this one is definitely better. So yeah, like I said, I really like the big display. I also like how they have a little arrow right here showing you where to put the lid, which the older ones didn't have. I really like this. I know this is a simple detail, but if you had an Instant Pot before, you know what I'm talking about. I also like where the pressure release is located in this new version right here. You can just close it, release. On here, you had to press, you know, to release it. It was, I don't know, a little complicated. Another thing I really like about this new version, I'm gonna show you right now. So the cooking pot doesn't slide. It barely moves. So when you're cooking, it's not gonna be rotating everywhere, which is not the case with the older versions. As you can see, like, they slide very easily. The cooking pot and also the lid is dishwasher safe, in case you are wondering. And one last thing I really like about this new version is the whisper quiet technology for when you're using the pressure cooking option, which I use all the time. The older ones were a little bit loud and I didn't really like it. So I definitely think that this one is a lot quieter. But yeah, I really like my new Instant Pot. I know I'm gonna be using this a lot, and I think it's time for me to retire my old Instant Pots. I think I'm not going to give it away or just throw it away. I think I'm gonna save them in case I need it. You never know when you have a party. They still work, okay? This is like 10 years old, and guys, it still works. So yeah, I know the Instant Pot brand is amazing. I love it. And yeah, they will be retired, but in case I need it, I'll have it.